Hey guys, so today I am out of the office. I'm up here making buttons. So I was going to do a little how-to on how we make buttons. We make all of our buttons by hand, and we install them on our button tuck kits by hand also. So I am going to show you a little bit of what it takes. We have already cut out all of these. We go and get the vinyl that we have up here, and we have some pieces depending on the size that we use to cut 4 to 5 at a time. So, alright, we will show you guys how to make buttons. So we have this. We stick the round one in there. Put this on top. Now you have buttons. Our son likes to come up here and make buttons. He's in kindergarten. He did a little project for school and took 100 buttons. I think it was on the 100th day of school, and so he had to make a video on how to make them to show his class. So I will make them in increments of 25 so I can keep up with them. So there's my 25. I put them in a bucket over here. I count out 25 more circles. So with all of our kits, we know exactly how many buttons go in that kit. So we make those before the kit hits the floor. And then we always make extra to send you guys extra, because with the button tucks, I mean, if you already have one, you know, sometimes the buttons can come off, or like I saw a sleeper this weekend, the sleeper door, and one of the buttons was messed up just from putting stuff in and out of your sleeper. So stuff happens, but as long as we can still get that color, we can make just about any button. For a try. Don't call us wanting us to make you buttons for something else, because as y'all can tell, if you have ordered a button tuck from us, it can take a little while, and this would be one of the big reasons why. Some of our sleepers can go up to 1,300 buttons that are handmade and installed in the sleepers. So it is time consuming. Alright, so that takes you in on how to make the buttons. I'm making these buttons for Mr. Brandon Walker, so we can finish some cab corners for him and get him taken care of and out the door. So be sure and hit subscribe and follow our YouTube page, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok at Truckin' Awesome.